Hello, in this video I am going to show you how you can change the font size of Visual Studio Code. So here I already opened the Visual Studio Code and right now the font is very small and it's very difficult to understand or read, whatever you can say. So let's see how we can increase the font size. To change the font in Visual Studio Code or VS Code, we just need to click File and then it will bring a list of menus. From here we have to come to the preferences. If we move our cursor over there, it will be expanded and it will give us another list of menus. From here we have to choose Settings. I'm going to click here and the settings window will be opened in VS Code. Now from here we have to click Commonly Used. Once we choose Commonly Used, right side we will find on section is there editor font size, and here it is showing 12 by default, or when we install or somehow the font size is 12. Now to increase the size we just need to change it. I'm going to remove the whole font size and I'm going to type 20 and then I have to close this thing. We don't need to save it or something. We don't need anything. We just need to close this thing and you will see the font of the text or code is increased. That's it guys. In this way we can easily change the font size in VS Code. Thank you guys for watching the video.